lovelies. Today I'm going to be sharing with you different ways on how you can monetize, on how you can earn money on Facebook profile and Facebook page. In other words, how to make money online, because this is online. So, you guys, are you using Facebook? Are you just scrolling to see other people? I know. Are you among the people who are putting like 1,000 messages on people's? Are you among the people who are scrolling to see the memes? They are my friends who write those things. If you know you are among those people, let's turn this Facebook into a money-making machine. How are we going to do it? In this video, we are going to explore different ways of how you can earn money on Facebook. Whether you have a personal profile account like the one I told you, or you have a business page, or even your audience is small, you are an influencer, or you're big. Let's dive in, you guys. There is money for everybody here. Now that you already set up your profile, as we talked about in the first, second, third of the video, let's dive in and see how we can make money online, on Facebook in different ways. The first way, we are going to talk about monetizing Facebook page with ads. When we are talking about monetizing Facebook page with ads, this is very popular, by the way. It's very popular for people who are earning on Facebook. They are targeting this. I want you to target this also. Monetizing your Facebook with ads makes it simple. You make your videos, you post like the one posted, you go and sleep. In the morning, you find money. It is put there. What you need to know what to do, I already told you. You only need engaging videos, and also you have followers, at least 5,000 to 10,000 followers. You can apply for Facebook monetization program the moment you see you have met these ones. How it works, Facebook will press ads on your videos. What you need to do is to make sure that you make your videos which are 3 minutes and above. These ones will accommodate the ads that are going to be pressed. And on this, I advise you people, always create original high quality content, which can also help you not to meet any violations or to meet any copyright issues. Be consistent. Let's move to get views. Don't mind, even if you 5, 10, 100 views are better when your content is very original. Let's talk about the second way of earning money on this place. It is affiliate marketing. I think most of you've heard this. We have been talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the tools that most online people that they know they have made money from. But if you don't know, you're among the people who didn't know, start from today. Even if you don't have quality Facebook, or you don't qualify for Facebook ads, you don't you don't earn stars, you can promote other people's products using your Facebook. How do you do it? You join some affiliate links groups like Amazon. When you sign up, you can start making money. Let's see how you do it. Like, if you go for Amazon, you go to Amazon Associates, sign up. The moment you sign up, you are eligible, provided you follow their terms and conditions. You can also go to ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the platform website that is also taking up the affiliate market here. You talk about you can go online, you get the eligible websites. Now, when we're talking about this, you need to be specific on which niche and which program do you want. What you do, it's simple. You share the links on a daily basis, on hourly basis. You need to be consistent. You know what you want. These links should be related to what you want to sell. Like, for example, if you're a person who likes sell gadgets, you would be looking for those gadgets on Amazon. Come here on Facebook, on YouTube, on your platforms, and put them there. A moment someone reads buys something through your link, immediately you get your money. What you need to do, engage your audience, engage your people who engage on your post, and don't forget to do reviews. Don't forget to do tutorials on the project, on this particular affiliate products that you're putting. Like, for example, if you're putting a link for this pen, at least make a review for this pen. The moment you make a review for this pen, the moment you make a tutorial for this pen, you will be enlightening more people, and people will be following to buy through your links. What I need you to do, what I advise you, is to choose relevant products or links for your audience. If your page is about fitness, you go and look for things that are on fitness. Like now me, I would look for things that are on money. I would look for things that are on education purposes, on positive mindset and love. For example, like the way we say in fitness, you can talk about supplements, you can talk about workout programs, and you bring them here and sell those products. Then the third way to earn on Facebook, which is very beautiful, you guys. I told you I'm going to go step by step with you. It is selling products or services directly. This is what everybody has been using, and they indirectly don't know they are doing making money. They are making money online. So selling products here on Facebook, you can use marketplace. I've talked about it, I think, some time back. What is a marketplace? A marketplace, that is a place on Facebook that was put there. It is worldwide, and you can sell your physical products. However, you can put clear photos, clear your contact number, the sizes of the things, the location, and you get your customers. Your page or profile is your shop. This is what I always tell people. What you need to do is to promote your services, promote your products, and go for it. What are the services? You can use this page to make money. Like you coach people about to cook food, you coach people about to make hair, you coach people about to make money, all that. This is your shop right now, online shop. Let's talk about the fourth. Fourth is partnering with brands and sponsored posts. This one I've seen most people have done. I've used it especially on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, and it is making money for them. The only thing you need, you need to build a strong Facebook audience. You need to build a strong, can I call it a strong engagement audience, an audience that can engage. However, there are some of you that go ahead and buy engagement, buy followers, but then the results will be seen in output. Like for example, if they have given you, a brand has given you something to advertise for them, if you don't bring results, it means your engagement is not right. So what you do, pitch them such that you can get these brands and you get money. How does really this work, this tool? Brands pay you to create posts, promote them products. I've seen people do this, and I know you know how people are doing this. This could be in form of videos, photos, and even live streams. People can even have started even being hired to abuse, being hired to do that, which is not right. So use your platform in a right way by partnering with other brands and individuals. Focus just on building your engagement, building your audience, and you really enjoy this. The fifth way is subscription-based earning with fan subscribers. Here, I told you I only got one subscriber since I started because I don't have that big fan. Yes, do you have a real fan base? People need to appreciate you. Do they know about it? I know, like my audience, most of people, they don't know about Facebook subscription. No. And Facebook subscription feature allows you to change a monthly fee to to exclusive content. Like if you want to really meet there are some people who have come to me, they want me to teach, but teach them for free. And instead, you should go do subscription. The moment you subscription, whether on YouTube, whether on Facebook, you make me give you detailed information that you want to know about making money online. Let's go now. The segment 6 is about running paid events on Facebook. Paid events on Facebook, you can put a teaching, can put a course, a tutorial, and you do it. Facebook, it does not only allow you to post paid online events, but it also goes ahead to encourage you to educate people, to educate creators, and even to host businesses. Examples of this, how you can do it, is like teaching live courses, workshops, and mono others. I've done this before, and I got only less than $100. So let's driving traffic to external platforms on websites. Here, what we mean: share links to your YouTube channels, blog, or online store. This is what I always do. The goal is to build a brand across other platforms. So you guys, there is nothing that helps you like Facebook. Facebook, you can make money like with drop shipping and e-commerce. These ones are very essential. And how do they work? The way they work, you have to go and use your. So guys, there are a lot of opportunities with Facebook and you can make money. Most of us, we might not do all these 10 of them or all these 8 of them, but we can specialize on ads revenue, which is very good. I told you you can sleep and you earn. You specialize on stars, on subscription, and brand sponsorship. This one, it is easier. You can even go ahead and use affiliate marketing, which is very accessible and easy to do. So you guys, this is very good. If you know you're there and you have a Facebook, you're scrolling and watching anybody, you're having fun, you put data, please turn this phone, turn that Facebook into a money making machine. Having said that, I remain Christine. I love you so much. Let's meet in